My man, you going with this here? You going with this here?
Huh?
You going with that here, sir?
I mean, where you going with it?
He say, you get this man, you tell this man, take you pipe. You tell this man, take that pipe from out there. He got your pipe here. He's stealing it. Why going live on direct on video? Why you stealing it?
We training, we do this century.
We do this century. We do this century.
We carry the piece of my old thing.
Man, bring the piece of pipe. You turn well. We got you live stealing this here. This man stealing. Look, you got there, see, take it off. You see that here? But you going to interfere people that stealing you that top, you think? Man, we get you live stealing it, man. God bless you, man. We don't play about here, no. We don't fucking play about here. You're a fucking thief, man. You're a fucking thief, man. You see, you don't even ask me, man. We get you live, we don't play about here. I mean, what that is? It's yours. It is yours. It is yours. You put it there. You put it there. It's yours. Man, no, man. You were stealing it. You were stealing it. You were stealing it, man. Listen, and they got a camera there. Look. Okay, we got you live. Yeah. You see these guys. You see how this come here and want to do everything? They want to piss up here. Another one can't steal our pipe. Look. I mean, they're not used to the boy that's used to us. You come and see things. You want me to install it, man? Mommy want you to install nothing. Huh? I take away the joke. The joke, okay. Fair enough. He got you like stealing this here, man.